this is why we're doing this fundraiser, in order to help all these people in need. This is Turkey, part of Manta, all destroyed. As you can see, there is a building 30 feet away. They just rescued 7 people alive, and they just took 8 bodies. The conditions are very, very bad. They need water. There's a lot of firefighters around, police officers, and volunteers that don't have water here. They don't have food. And they really need our help. So let's make this happen. We don't live here. This is not our city, but we're helping because there's a lot of people in need, and this is what we want to do, and we're gonna keep doing it until this city is gonna be built up again. So let's try to help as much as you can. It doesn't matter if it's just a little amount or a large amount, but please, let's make this happen. We can do it. We can join forces. Please help us to help.